गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबडी डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम अपने मैट्रिक्स चैप्टर का थर्ड लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। ये थर्ड पार्ट हमारे पार्ट 2 का ही एक हिस्सा है। सो टुडे वी स्टार्ट आवर थर्ड लेक्चर। There are some special types of matrix which are not in our course but is a part of JEE Mains. So today we start this type of matrix. This is very helpful to you for JEE Mains exams. So now let's we start. The first one is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix, a square matrix whose elements below the main diagonal are all 0. That is Aij equals to 0 for all I greater than j. For example, if we construct a 3 by 3 matrix A11, A12, 1, 3, 0, A22, A23, 0, 0, A33. In this matrix, if we see A11, 1i, 1j. So I is not greater than j. So we write A11. In A12, 1 is not greater than 2. So we write A12, A13. Similarly, in A21, I is 2, J is 1. 2 is greater than 1. So here we write 0. Similarly, at A31, we write 0. A32, we write 0. So if you see that this is upper triangle, if we draw a line passes through 1, 2, 3, that is one line. Second line from 3 to minus 2, 8. Then it is second line. If we draw a line through 1, 5, minus 2 along principal diagonal, so we get a triangle, that is upper triangle. So in this case, upper triangular matrix, all elements below the main diagonal are 0. Now second matrix, that is lower triangular matrix. A square matrix, first of all, square matrix should be square. A square matrix whose elements above the main diagonal are all 0. That is Aij equals to 0 for all I less than j. In this case, I less than j. So if you see in an example A12, 1 is less than 2. So A12 position is 0, A13 position is 0, and A23 position is also 0. So here we get a triangle, lower triangle. That is, if we draw a line from A11, A21, A31, that is vertical line, A31, 32, 33 horizontal line, A11, A22, A33 is along diagonal. So we get a triangle, that is lower triangle. And here is also example 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 3 is 3 by 3 lower triangular matrix. If we see some remarkable things here, a diagonal matrix is both an upper as well as lower triangular matrix, because we know that in diagonal all non-diagonal elements are 0 except diagonal. All non-diagonal elements are 0. That is, elements above main diagonal is also 0, below main diagonal is also 0. डायगोनल के ऊपर का पार्ट भी 0 है, नीचे का पार्ट भी 0 है. तो डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स जो है वो दोनों है, अपर भी है एज वेल एज लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स भी है. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज strictly triangular matrix. What is strictly triangular matrix? A triangular matrix Aij of order n, that is square matrix, is called strict triangular matrix if its diagonal elements are all equals to 0. स्ट्रिक्ट ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स में डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स जो हैं वो सारे 0 होते हैं फॉर ऑल आई लाइज बिटवीन 0 to n. Now third matrix, that is very important, idempotent matrix. A square matrix A is said to be idempotent matrix if A square is equal to A. That means if we multiply A by A, again we get A. There is example. A matrix 2 minus 3 5 minus 1 4 5, second row, third row is 1 minus 3 minus 4. If we multiply A by A itself, that is A square, again we get A. So given matrix is example of idempotent matrix. Now fourth matrix, that is involutory matrix. A square matrix A is said to be involutory matrix if A square is equal to I. In this case, if we multiply a matrix by matrix, if we get I, identity matrix, that means this matrix is involutory matrix. हम ये भी जानते हैं कि I को I से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर I ही मिलता है, इसलिए प्रत्येक आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स जो है वो इनवॉल्यूटरी मैट्रिक्स है. हर आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इज ऑलवेज इनवॉल्यूटरी मैट्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट मैट्रिक्स इज nilpotent matrix. What is nilpotent matrix? A square matrix A is said to be nilpotent matrix if A power P equals to 0, where is P is positive integer. If K is the least positive integer such that A power K equals to null matrix, then K is called the index of the nilpotent matrix A. कोई भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स nilpotent मैट्रिक्स कहलाती है यदि हम उसको जब तक मल्टीप्लाई करें A पावर P की हमें नल मैट्रिक्स नहीं मिल जाए. यह हम दूसरे शब्दों में कह सकते हैं कि P कोई पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, उसको 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करने पर यदि हमें नल मैट्रिक्स मिल जाती है, देन द गिवन मैट्रिक्स इज nilpotent मैट्रिक्स. K की जिस लिस्ट वैल्यू के लिए, सपोज इफ वी गेट A पावर 2 equals to 0, then 2 is the called the index of nilpotent matrix. If A power 3 is equal to 0, then 3 is least positive integer. It is 3 is called the index of nilpotent matrix. पहली सबसे छोटी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर पावर जिसके लिए हमें नल मैट्रिक्स मिल जाए उसे हम इंडेक्स ऑफ द nilpotent मैट्रिक्स A कहते हैं. Our next matrix is orthogonal matrix. What is orthogonal matrix? A square matrix A of order n is said to be orthogonal matrix if A multiplied by A transpose is equal to I, or A transpose multiplied by A is also get I, then A is orthogonal matrix. यदि A को A ट्रांसपोज से मल्टीप्लाई करें, वी विल गेट I, और A ट्रांसपोज को A से मल्टीप्लाई करें, यदि हमें आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स मिलती है तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि A जो है वो ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स है. नेक्स्ट इज पीरियोडिक मैट्रिक्स. A square matrix A is said to be periodic matrix of period P if P is the least positive integer such that A power P plus 1 equals to A. एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स जो है वो पीरियडिक मैट्रिक्स कहलाती है ऑफ पीरियड P if P is the least positive integer such that a power P plus 1 is equal to a. मान लिया a पावर 3 हमें a मिल गया, a को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया हमें a मिल गया, इसका मतलब a पावर 2 प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू a। इसका मतलब यहाँ 2 जो है वो लीस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, इसको हम पीरियड ऑफ मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे, या यूं कहेंगे कि स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स पीरियोडिक मैट्रिक्स है जिसका पीरियड 2 है। द नेक्स्ट मैट्रिक्स इज जीरो डिवाइजर। व्हाट इज जीरो डिवाइजर्स? टू नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स A and B matrices are non-zero. What is non-zero? It means some elements are zero and some elements are non-zero. The two non-zero matrices A and B are said to be divisor of zero if their product AB is equals to null matrix. That is, AB equals to null matrix. For example, A is a matrix, is non-zero matrix. B is also non-zero matrix. There are, in our example, 1. It contains element 1, so it is non-zero matrix, and B matrix contains 3, so it is non-zero matrix. But if we multiply A by A and B, we will get null matrix. So A and B are known as divisor of 0. This example is very important, zero divisors, because in board examination they ask, give two matrices which are non-zero but their product is 0. So today's chapter is over, today's lecture is over. We hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, please call me. Thank you. दीदी हो गया।